Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallam. Welcome to Usnuma Nizami channel. Sohbate Saleh Tura Saleh Kunan. Sohbate Taleh Tura Taleh Kunan. It is a Farsi language proverb. So, good company and bad company. We should make the good friends. So, good habits and good friends can change our life. And also, if we are living with bad company, so we will take the bad habits from them, and these bad habits can spoil our life. So, in the books, one small example, one lesson is there. They explain and in the very small way and very easy way. So there is a one father, and father has only one son. So son name is Ali. So always father advise him, so don't be in bad company. But the son did not listen, and he is living with bad friend circle, with bad friends only. Maximum time father advised them, don't do this thing, but the son did not listen. So the father wanted to give him demo. The father wanted to give him one great lesson. So one day the father went to the bazaar. One day the father went to the market and he purchased some good and fresh apples, and he brought in his house. Father told to his son, Ali, come and take these apples and keep them in almirah. The son Ali took those apples and opened that almirah and kept them. Next day, same father brought one rotten egg. Which one is not good? Which one we cannot eat? Father brought one rotten egg and told to Ali, take this apple and keep with them which one I brought yesterday. So that Ali went and opened that almirah and kept that rotten egg with them. So then after the 1-2 days, the bad smell was coming from that almirah. Now father called Ali, go and bring that apples. So the son Ali went and opened almirah and he brought that apples. So the bad smell was coming. The Ali opened that apple bag. So all the good apples became bad. All apples became rotten. Now father explained him, see, one rotten apple spoil all the apples. So this is the lesson. So one in your friend circle, one person is bad, who is going against of Islam, who is doing the against of habits, drinking, gambling, and not respecting elders, and many bad things he is not stopping. So those bad habits may come if you are living with them. So this is very nice and good story. So it is our choice that always we should make good company. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment me and also remember me in your dua.